Hi, I'm celebrity makeup artist Ash K. Holm and global Falscara ambassador. Today I'm going to show you how to apply Falscara in the 2 trendy looks using the new wisp styles. Let's get into it. We will use the special edition kit today that includes an overnighter, which gives you wear for up to 10 days. If you want to wear Falscara for 1 day and take it off at the end of the day, you can use the starter kit. Use the bond side of the brush to apply bond as you would apply mascara. Gently pick up the wisps from the tray and place them underneath your natural lashes. Use the seal side of the brush to keep your wisps in place and remove any remaining stickiness. Now to extend the wear up to 10 days, apply a thin line of overnighter under the wisp but just above the waterline. It's as simple as that. Your finished look is complete and ready to go. Now that you're a Falscara expert, I'm going to show you 2 new wisp styles that are perfectly on trend for 2024. I know lots of you have been asking for this. This wisp has a thin clear band, making the wisp seamlessly blend into your own lashes. Clear band wisp is super comfortable and feathery, perfect for creating the most natural lash extensions look. Don't forget to check out Falscara Clear Band to get the full effect of our clear band wisp. Faux mink wisps are ultra soft, fluffy, and lightweight, made with the softest high-quality materials. These lashes are multi-layered, making faux mink the perfect wisp for a maximum glam look. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and try these new styles and let me know which is your favorite.